I would like to start with a quote from Dr. Tedros, the Director General of World Health Organization, that I hope will become the mantra of real estate industry and of every other citizen in India. This is a time for facts, not fear. This is the time for science, not rumors. This is the time for solidarity, not stigma. We are all in this together, and we can only stop it together. On behalf of National Association of Realtors India, I would like to extend my support and best wishes to all of those, whether industry associates or citizens, who've been affected by the recent outbreak in many parts of the world. I also want to express my sympathy to our friends and peers in real estate industry whose businesses have unfortunately suffered. We hope COVID-19 is a nightmare that goes away soon, but I can assure you there is no business in the world which is more resilient than real estate. Given the global pandemic times and the challenges that come with it, we can't just wish for an optimistic, positive outlook, but we cannot afford to paint a very grim picture either, both for COVID-19 virus and for the economic virus that has hit upon all of us. Close to 10% of India's GDP is real estate. Close to 6 crore jobs are dependent on it directly. Close to 400 ancillary industries like mortgage, banking, architecture, interiors, machinery and material suppliers, and so many are dependent on it. Roti, kapda, or makan are the three essentials to life, and real estate is all about makan and dukan. This pandemic has taught all that you cannot live in a stock certificate, a mutual fund, wearing gold. You can live only in one place, and that is called home. And home is the essence of real estate. Even work from home needs home. And hence, I request a conceptual change in knowing a fact that every industry is dependent upon real estate. And to revive economy, reviving real estate is necessary from the viewpoint of every single citizen of India. The governments worldwide have given an amazing impetus to real estate, and with your support to this petition that CREDAI and NAR India have jointly created, we are asking our Honorable Prime Minister and the government to revive real estate, to revive economy. It impacts you, every one of you, whether or not directly associated with the industry, because remember, even a homemaker and a housewife needs a home. You're concerned about migrant laborers, but do you realize 70% of them are construction laborers? You're concerned about economy, but do you realize there'll be shortfall of homes and offices if there is no construction, and prices will spiral up instead of rationalizing? You're concerned about your job, but even a fresher upon getting a job first seeks a place to stay in, a home. The corporates and startups first work to get an office and a home for all their employees. Whichever part of the economy you belong to, real estate is an integral part of your life. The developers and their marketing arms, the real estate agent, broker, and realtor are a part of the nation building. Construction builds not just buildings, but builds a nation. You stay safe by staying home in this COVID pandemic is a service you do to humanity. You sign this petition and ask your friends to sign it is a service you do to the nation, not just to the real estate industry. Each signature matters. Each aspect of economy matters. You matter. Sign this petition and forward to many. Stay home. Stay safe. And once this pandemic is over, do tell your future generations that you took part in a revival as an economic warrior and a responsible citizen. My name is Samir Arora, and I am a proud Realtor First, a proud real estate fraternity member, president of Kriya Bengaluru, honorary secretary of NAR India, and the petition committee head for NAR India in conjunction with CREDAI. Together, we give you the home and office or retail that you live in and work in. We are proud nation builders. We seek your support because each one of you in your own forte helps build a nation. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Shukriya.